Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 8,000-pound Carter electric brake trailer axle. Let's check it out. Today we're looking at the Carter 8,000-pound electric brake trailer axle. So this axle comes standard with 5/8 studs and swivel flange nuts, so you can run the 16-inch or the 17.5-inch tires and wheels with no problem. If you are running the 16-inch, please note it when ordering so we can send you the cone nuts instead of the swivel flange nuts. It comes with the heavy-duty aluminum oil caps for better protection instead of those plastic oil caps. These aluminum ones, they don't break like those plastic ones. A lot better, good upgrade. It has the transparent lens so you can see the oil level, which is very nice. And it has this quick port fill right here, so you can easily fill it up, or you can always take off the rubber plug in the middle and fill it as well. 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, so 8 lug, 6.5 inches from center of one bolt to center of the other bolt, straight across. Standard for all 8 lug axles from 6,000 pound all the way up to 12Ks. It has your 4.75 hub pilot on it. It has the 12 1/4 by 3 3/8 self-adjusting brakes on them, so you don't have to adjust them. It comes pre-wired, as you can see, with the standard 4-bolt flange on it. So the brake assemblies, the hubs and drums, they all interchange with the Dexter axles and the Lippert axles, so that's very convenient. It has the heavy-duty 3.5-inch powder-coated tube on it, so it won't rust up on you. It'll look nice. And this particular axle, they actually do not have the spring pads welded on, as you can see. So we sell them two ways. We sell them with the spring pads welded on or without. You can get them both ways. So if you order them without the spring pads welded on, then we will send you the spring pads so you can weld them in place wherever you want. Simple enough. Bada bing, bada boom. There you go. Real nice axle here. It's a real 8K axle. Big brakes, big tube. Great upgrade. If you're upgrading from 7K to 8K, this is the way to go. Or if you're just building a new trailer and looking for a heavy-duty axle, get these 8Ks with the 17.5-inch tires and wheels is what I would recommend. Or you can always go with like a 16-inch, but 17.5s, in my opinion, are the only way to go. Yep. Comes fully assembled, ready to go. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.